Pepperoni calzone. So good. Hi, I'm Ines Glaser. We're gonna be making a pepperoni calzone today in California. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna grab some dough, about a 200-gram dough ball. I usually like to make pizzas about 250, 275. I like to go smaller for calzones. First, I'm gonna stretch it out kind of like a normal round pizza. Do my Neapolitan secret handshake like that. Again, kind of stretching out the dough. We're not gonna have the cornicione or the crust. We're just gonna try to make it as even and as round as possible. Fold and pull. Maybe even like a little twirl just because you guys are here. Since we have kind of these nice, pretty air bubbles, I'm gonna take the rolling pin. Now, the rolling pin is kind of controversial in pizza making because you're gonna be kind of getting rid of all those air bubbles that you tried so hard to get. But because we want the calzone to cook evenly, perfectly, not have too many bubbles, we're just going to try to get rid of them. Make sure that your area is floured enough so it doesn't stick. You know, you kind of want a perfect balance of adding a little bit flour, but not too much, because flour is bitter when it cooks in the oven. I would say 12, 14 inches all around. I'm gonna add just a little bit underneath. Then we're gonna do a little bit of Calabrian chili, which is beautiful, has like a nice tangy heat. You can go as light or as much as you want. I think this is based on your own spice level. So spread that around, beautiful. A few dollops of ricotta, our glorious pepperonis. I like to go no red sauce on this, so it's a little bit dry in the middle, so it won't make the pizza soggy, essentially. And we're gonna add some sharp provolone, shredded, even cheesier. Beautiful. And then we're gonna fold. So flip, and I'm gonna press down on the edges. We're gonna kind of like make it like a pretty half moon for all of you astrology lovers out there. I'm gonna create a little divot or hole or slit so it allows even more cooking on the inside, and so it kind of, the steam can escape while you're cooking it. Put a little bit of flour, create my little half moon, baby. Do a very nice light layer of red sauce. You don't have to do this, I just think it's really pretty. I'm gonna add a little pecorino to finish, a little olive oil. Okay, so shimmy, shimmy, shake. This baby is gonna go straight into the oven. All right, we're gonna get a little color on both sides. As soon as this starts to set, I'm going to turn off the oven completely. Delicately. See, look at that beautiful caramelization. Woo, she's coming out pretty. And now we're gonna turn the oven off so we can kind of cook at a lower heat. So we first hit it with that really hard, high heat. Now we're just gonna use the leftover heat of the oven and kind of, you know, make sure that it keeps cooking slow and low. So we make sure that all of the bread and all of the dough is perfectly cooked. Okay, that baby looks pretty good to me. So we're gonna take her out and give her a cut. A little bit of finishing olive oil because you can never have too much olive oil. Beautiful fresh Parmesan because you can never have too much Parmesan. Some nice, pretty basil, just for looks, because why not? Looking pretty. Okay, so let's give that baby a cut. Look at that ooey gooiness. We got the nice like red tangy Calabrian chili. It might be too hot for a bite, but I don't know if I can wait. I feel like calzones kind of bring you back to your childhood and like, you know, going to the boardwalk, going to your family favorite pizza restaurant and getting like a nice calzone. Really great. Really, really delicious. Okay.
Hold for car, please.
Hold for car.